How are you? So, what is your name? What is your name? My name is Lion. Okay. Okay, so who is this? Who is this? This is Grandpa. Yeah? And who is this? This is Grandma. Good. And who is this? This is Aunt. This is Auntie. And who is this? Who? This is Daddy. And this? This is Mommy. Good. Okay, show me. You show me. Where is the brother? Where is the brother? Good. Where is Mummy? Good. Where is the baby? Good. And where is Grandma? Grandma? Good. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is a door. Good. What is this?
It's a ball.
It's a ball. Good. And what is this?
It's a table.
Good. What is this? It's a book. Okay. How many cars are there? How many cars are there? There are four cars? How many are there? How many cars? There are 5 cars. Good. What colour are the cars? The cars are red. Yeah? How many bicycles are there? Yeah? Good. There are 5 bicycles. There are 6. Good. What colour are the bicycles? The bicycles are good. Okay, what is this? Good. What are these? These are scissors. Good. And what is this? Good. And what is this? This is a notebook. Notebook. Good. What is this? It's a bedroom. Very good. What is this? It's a dining room. Good. What is this? What is this? This is a kitchen.
It's a kitchen.
Good. Right. What is this? It's a bathroom. Okay. Show me, where is Grandpa? Grandpa. Yeah, Grandpa's in the... Where is Grandma? Grandma is in... Grandma's in the kitchen, good. And where is Daddy? Daddy is in the... Dining room.
Dining room.
Good. Okay,